that very kind introduction. After that introduction, daw pati ako na excited na ako kung ano ihambal ko sa inyo sa buong. Napabilib ako sa sarili ko. At the outset, let me acknowledge the key leaders, the prime movers of South Cotabato, starting with the Honorable Governor Ray Tamayo Jr. Sir, Congressman Isidro Lumayag of the 1st District, Congressman Diran Hernandez of the 2nd District, my batchmate, classmate in Notre Dame of Marbel College, Elementary Training Department, 3rd District Representative, Dibo Tuan. The Pansanguniang Panlalawigan members headed by Vice Governor Arthur Pingoy Jr., the department heads of the provincial government of South Cotabato and the national government, the Special Assistant to the President, Antonio Ernesto Lagdameo Jr., who is joining us later today. And bago ko malimtan, kagako ay maban sa balay ang akon nga asawa, si Patricia Jane Perbilio Torre, nga taga Osmeña Street, Coronadal, South Cotabato, bata ni Anhing Attorney Felixberto Perbilio and Attorney Serviliana Perbilio. And my firstborn, ang subang ko, ara si JP. Allow me to introduce also and acknowledge my team from the national headquarters led by the Director for Operations of the Philippine National Police, General Nick Salvador, the Director for Intelligence, General Wilson Lopez, the Director for Controllership, General Jean Fajardo, also the spokesman of the Philippine National Police, the OIC of PNP Regional Office 12, General Arnold Santiago, and the heads of the Provincial Police Office of the PNP, the Chiefs of Police, friends, ladies and gentlemen, mayong aga sa aton nga tanan. At the outset, let me extend my sincerest appreciation to the local government unit of South Cotabato